Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Miranda Show with your girl Miranda. Okay, so my mom and I, we are out gonna get sushi from China One Express. Right, so as I said in my other vlog that I've made today, we need a new van and things like that, so, but that's not what I'm going to talk about right now. So, but the reason I said that was we're going to get fluid for the lift to work. We got to keep buying, it's not antifreeze, I don't think, but I don't know what it's called, but we got to buy some kind of liquid for the lift to keep working because the lift in our van keeps leaking. So anyways, we're out trying to buy fluid for the lift and get sushi, you know, on the way. We were going to go in to Shogun Express, but look at this, y'all. Look at all of this. It is raining freaking cats and dogs. It is freaking crazy up in this mug. I ain't never seen so much rain. I mean, it was cloudy earlier, but it was not raining until like we left the house. When we left the house, it was raining hard. I'm making a vlog. I was showing people the rain. I said you and I went to go get fluid for the lift.
Not today.
Not today?
No.
Why?
Freeze for the radiator.
Oh. Okay, my bad. Correction again. I got a lot of corrections in this darn vlog. Yeah, I said correction. My last vlog I just made about the van. So anyway, we started going or leaving the house. And then all of a sudden it just started pouring down rain, cats and dogs. I got so much stress in my life. I just want to scream bloody freaking murder, and hopefully we'll be beamed up to heaven by then.
By when?
By the time I'm 80, because I'll scream until I'm 80 years old non-stop.
I'm moving. I don't think I can handle 5 minutes of it, but 30 years, 40 years. How old are you? 25?
I'm 25.
You're 80?
Yeah, till I'm 80.
Yes.
Till I'm 80 years old.
That's 55 years of screaming. Years.
Is it really?
We don't even want to talk about how many minutes that is.
Is it really?
There's a challenge for your people that's looking at your vlog. Let us know how many minutes are in 55 years.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh,
that will give you a special mention in your next vlog if you're right. We had to figure it out.
Okay. How long did you say?
55 years.
55 years. And there's 165 days in a year.
No.
Yes, there is.
No.
300. Yes, 365 days a year.
There you go.
And there's 24 hours a day. Okay? So
You're really going to do this while you're vlogging?
Yeah.
I think we need a calculator. My brain can't go hold on to all those numbers.
$3 million. Probably. Shoot, I don't even know. All I know is like 3 million something.
It's a lot.
Yeah. 3 million.
Well, I was hoping to be able to pull.
800.
Oh, that's right. I know your place for the list.
88. Days or years? Years, probably.
55 years.
Yeah.
We want to know.
Why are you parking over here?
Because this is where the parking place for you is.
For me?
Yeah.
Are we going to go in?
Yeah.
I thought you said no.
It quit raining. What do you want to do? Yes or no?
Gotta go. Peace.